today I'm gonna make two steel anvil stands. One is gonna be for this anvil. I don't know where it's from. It's marked CB on the side, but I've never seen an anvil like this before, so I can't tell you any history about it. And the next anvil is a pretty nice German anvil. The anvils have the same height, around 29.5 centimeters. The total knuckle height when I'm standing straight is gonna be 48 centimeters. The base plate of the anvils is gonna be 1.5 centimeters in height. So the steel legs of the anvil blocks need to be around 53 centimeters. You need to have the legs for the anvil around 12 degrees, 12.5 degrees, but always stay between the 10 and 15 degrees. So I got a cut mark right here, and I've got a cut mark right here. And if I'm correct, it's in the bottom, 53, correct, and right here, 53. Yeah, it's another 6 times. And then I'm ready for the cut. The steel saw decided to quit and stop working, so I needed to use the ankle grinder. And they look pretty okay. A little bit rough, but I think I can work it out. The next step is to clean everything up and prepare it for welding. I got all the tubes nicely cleaned up, and the next step is to mark out the spaces where I'm gonna weld. What I did here was tracing the outlines of the anvil on a piece of paper, so I can mark the points where I'm gonna drill into the anvil and into the base plate of the anvil stand. The drawing in the middle, and then point in the middle of the anvil, like this. it's ready to weld up, what I did was check if every angle is 102.5 degrees, and that is absolutely spot on. And check with this hook if everything is completely straight, and that's also 100% correct. And I'm gonna do this for every single leg. Once we got this, we'll put a little cap on it and weld them. I'm removing all the sand so the weld will stick nice and tight to the metal. The anvil stand is done. Between the anvil and the stand is going to be a little tower, so there will be a little noise reduction. On all the other videos I saw, the nose on the anvil was on the side with one leg, so that's what I'm going to do. Really happy with the end result. The steel anvil stands are a lot more stable than the wooden anvil stands, and it's just another successful project I did. I can advise everyone to use the steel anvil stands if you got the material for it to make them. They are really a blessing to use.